a mass of 43 grams, correct to the nearest gram. Find the least possible mass of the glass block. This one you should know how to do, right? That means if it's correct to the nearest gram, right? There is a least, there's a maximum. Right? So what's the least? 42.40. It's round to the nearest gram, meaning in this case nearest whole number. So it will be what?
42.5.
If you say 42.9,
The most.
can it be 42.8?
Yes.
But if you say 42.8, can it be 42.7?
Yes.
22.5.
So you go all the way, the least will be
2.5.
2.5. The least, yeah, 42.9 is what is around 43, but is this the least? The least is all the way. You go all the way to 42.5, you won't go to 42.4, isn't it? Right, so this is the least. Alright, so first question, 1 mark. Settle. Okay, so it's 42.5. Okay, now we need to look at part B. Are you ready? Part B is the one that we need to think. Okay, the volume of the glass block is what? 50 cm cube. Correct to the nearest cubic centimeter. In other words, correct to the nearest whole number, right? Agree? Find the greatest possible mass of 1 cubic centimeter of the glass. Okay. The volume of the glass block is 50 cm cube. Okay, so it's 50 cm cube. Okay. So that means, since it's correct to the nearest cubic centimeter, that means there is also a least. There's also a most, right? Okay. All right. So if this is round off to the nearest cubic centimeter, what do you think is the least?
14.5.
14.5 cm cube. Alright. Now, let's go back to the grams. What do you think is the maximum gram?
43.4.
43.1? 4. If you say 43.4, right? Do you think this is the largest? Do you know what's the largest?
4.9.
4.9. So your 43.4 is not the largest. Right? Is this the largest? 43.49, is it the largest?
9.
It's not the largest. I can put another line, it will be larger.
Oh, put dot. Yeah.
In fact, the largest is 43.499999 recurring, right? So it's actually 43.49. Is it okay? Now, you know what is the value of 43.49 dot? It is actually equals to 43.5 grams. You know what? Okay. Why do I round up to 5? Why do I 0.99? Why do I round up to the 4 to 5? Okay, I'm going to give you an example. Okay, now 1/9. I give you a fraction 1/9. Okay, you press your calculator. 1 divided by 9. What is it? What does it give you? 0.11111 recurring, right? Right now, am I right? Okay, what happens when you multiply 9 on both sides? 1. You know what happens when you multiply 9 on both sides? 9 times 1/9 is a whole number. But 0.111, you press your calculator, you get 0.999, which is 0.9 recurring. So that means, you get what I'm trying to say? So the conclusion, therefore, 0.9 recurring equals to 1. You get what I'm trying to say? And 0.49 recurring, right? You plus 1 to the previous decimal, which is 0.49.
5.
And 0.4, or should I say 0.4, let's say 0.449 recurring, right? It's actually 0.4, add 1, 4.5. You know what I'm trying to say? Because your 0.9 recurring all the way to infinity and 0.99 to infinity is actually equals to 1. Get the idea? Okay? So that means 43.49 recurring is 43.5. Is it okay? Based on this. Get the idea? So what do you think is the highest volume?
15.4.
15.49999 cm3, isn't it? Which is equal to 15.5.
5.
Okay? So the least largest, the least the largest. Okay. So now let's try to answer the question. Find the greatest possible mass of 1 cubic centimeter. Okay, so they ask for greatest mass of 1 cubic centimeter. Right? So if I want to find the greatest possible mass of 1 cubic centimeter, do I use the 42.5 or the 43.5? I use the bigger mass, right? The greatest mass, the greatest possible mass is 43.5. Okay? And then the volume of the glass, do I use for 14.5 or 15.5?
15.5.
Okay.
Oh,
14.5 or 15.5. Which one will give me the greater mass per cm cube? Which one?
14.5.
14.5 or 15.5? Okay. It should be the least volume, right? So that means the least volume should give me the greatest mass, which is 43.5 gram. So that means 1 cm cube equals to 43.5 gram divided by 14.5, which is equals to what?
I thought the greater the volume, the heavier the thing.
Okay, which is equal to, evaluate this, what do you have? 3? Exact. Okay, let's say in exam. Okay, there's no doubt, right? You definitely have to use 43.5. Let's say in exam, should I use 14.5 or 15.5? If you're not sure, what do you do? Do both. Yeah, you do both. Let's say I want to check. Let's say I use 15.5. Would the 15.5 cm cube volume give me the largest mass? 1 cm cube equals to what? It will give me 2.81
Oh.
gram, right? So which one is more?
3.
This one 3 grams is more. So I use 3 grams, so the answer is 3 grams. You know what I'm trying to say? Okay, another idea is, let's say if I have 43, let's say if I have $435, I want to divide among the people in this class. Okay, is it better to divide among the 30 of you or the whole 4C? Just the 30 of you, right? You can get more money, you can get greater amount of money, right? So that means I divide by the smaller volume, you get what I'm trying to say? I don't divide by the bigger volume. You get what I'm trying to say? If I have $435, wow, 30 of you, each of you get more money. If I divide by the whole class, which is 40, each of you get lesser. Get the idea? Okay, this question stumps a lot of people that year, okay? You know why? Because a lot of students, they use 43.4 instead of 43.5. Get the idea? Okay.